Okay, Papito, circle all of the things that start with B. Go.
This starts with B.
Go.
This starts with B.
Everything. Say the names, and if it starts with a B, you circle it. What is it?
B.
What is that?
Apple.
Does that start with B? Apple. No. Go to the next one.
Is this B? No.
B for.
Balloon.
Is that a B? Balloon.
Balloon.
Balloon. B. Balloon.
Circle the balloon.
Yeah, circle it. Okay. What about the next one?
Is this start with B?
What is that?
A beach ball.
Okay, what is it? Does that start with a B?
No. Yes.
Ball.
Ball.
Circle it. What's the next one?
Bear.
Is that what it be? Bear.
Yeah.
Okay, circle it. What about the next one?
Does this start with B?
What is that?
A banana.
What's that? Is that a B?
Uh,
Does that sound like it has a B in it? Banana. B. Banana. B. Banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. Circle it.
This has a B in it too.
Does it start with a B? Dog.
Dog. Yeah.
B.
B.
Dog. No. Listen. B.
B.
Dog. Dog. No.
No.
Dog starts with a D, not a B. What about the next one? Flower.
Does this start with a B?
Flower.
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 B.
B.
B. Same or no? It's not the same, right?
Is this a B?
What is that?
A piggy. Like Daddy.
Piggy.
Circle it.
Ain't like a little piggy anymore. Piggy. B. Is it the same? No, it's not the same. We don't circle that one. Good job, Papito. Dish it out.